So you're actually reducing stress. You're actually becoming more relationship oriented. You have more satisfaction at work. You're basically flexible. You have empathy. You have compassion. You have general decrease of anxiety. There are less chances of feeling blues and sad and getting depression, and there is an increased overall quality in life, and on and on. So this is why they recommend kind of being idle. So in India and Punjab and certain places and certain communities, they have this word called vela. The vela hai kuch nahi karta. He's a vela, so basically he's an idle. So idle guy, idle. So to a certain point, being idle is not bad, but idleness is not that you're on a vacation or something. It's just that you've taken you're taking a chance on resting yourself and stuff, and you're recharging and you're getting back, and your focus is shifting to other healthy aspects, like I said, exercising, taking care of yourself, getting rid of any mental habits or afflictions or addictions that people have and stuff. I mean, an addiction can be as bad as following a certain person for many years and you're still doing it, because you think you have a relationship with them, whereas they're not even interested in knowing. So this is also an example of addiction, where people are consistently showing up and people are consistently posting when they see a particular person or a personality appear, making it so obvious every time a person or a lady or a man goes online is obviously spelling, a lot of stuff. So anyways, that's a different thing altogether. But the point is that idleness is not bad. Vela Panti once in a while is not that bad.